Do you ever wonder why repeated patterns keep showing up again and again in your life? I did too, for years. In fact, it was my obsession of how to break them. If not for my own sanity and good, but then at least for the benefits of my kids so they don't experience the same pattern. See, what we're experiencing isn't happening where most approaches try to fix it at the level of conscious choice or behavior. It's happening at much deeper levels. Energetic, ancestral frequencies, abilities, soul journeys that conventional methods just don't touch. Let me share what makes my approach different in a way no one else is talking about. First, I work at multiple levels simultaneously. While most coaches focus on just behavior or mindset, I'm addressing the energetic frequencies, ancestral patterns, and soul contracts, as well as cognitive, emotional, and mindset principle in neuroprogramming. Second, we create immediate transformation. I don't believe you need years of gradual progress. When you address the actual root causes, profound disruption happens. And what is more, a closure right along with it, right in that session. This is not logical, it is experiential. I do not need to convince you. The field exists. You will feel it in your body in the first 30 minutes. I'll make you clairvoyant. You will see things that would define the years of studying personal growth hacks. Third, I work with your natural wiring, not against it. Most approaches have you fighting against yourself, creating resistance that eventually sabotages your progress or doesn't make the change that much lasting. I'll help you understand your unique wiring so we can leverage it, not fight it. It is a shift to living in full self love and acceptance. And if this feels like girly, hokey pokey talk, you are in more desperate need for this energy than you realize. Fourth, we can actually preview your potential futures before committing to them. Imagine having a time travel device that lets you feel and experience different paths before wasting time walking down them. I call them quantum walks that I take my clients on. Still, at the comfort of your own home, sitting on a video call with me. And finally, I am so confident in this process that I guarantee results. If you're not happy with the results or the process, no matter the reason, you don't need to explain. Email me, you are out, and I will mail you the full refund. No hard feelings. Are you ready to stop fighting yourself and start experiencing the exceptional life that's been waiting for you? If not yet, watch my other video to see more in-depth review on the methods. Whether we work together or not, I hope you do not give up on your own potential and seek guidance from people that show up on your path. Shoot me an email with any questions, and I hope I will see you soon. Bye for now.